What is shaking, everybody? Sitting here in Burwell at the shop. Loaded this morning in Lexington in nice, wonderful rain, and loaded 79 feeder heifers. Took them up here to Burwell, kicked them off, loaded great, unloaded great. Really ain't doing anything now. In the forecast, they don't know if it's going to rain a bunch or snow a bunch, so we'll kind of wait and see how that plays out. It's the first load back after being home for a week. So, the reason I've been home for a week is my father-in-law lost his battle with cancer this past Monday night. Heck of a guy. Hell of a guy. Hell of a guy. He's a guy that really didn't seem to have any enemies. Everybody that met him just loved the hell out of him. And I wish we could all be that lucky. He was always professional, even if he didn't like a person. He was always polite, courteous, and he'd do anything for anybody. Yeah, he drove for a number of years. I think 30 plus years, at least. A heck of a guy. Hauled a lot of soda pop. I drove for Coke for a number of years, then went over to Pepsi. And they treated him very well. I'm very impressed with them. So, anybody from Pepsi watches this, shout out to you guys. They called him at least once a week. They didn't ask when he was coming back to work or anything. They just seen how he was doing. So that was pretty cool. We could talk forever about all our trucking stories back and forth, where he hauled soda pop and I haul cattle. It was kind of fun to see the difference in both worlds and share the stories we got and the experiences we had, and it was great. He well loved and well respected by a lot of people. Thursday, day before yesterday, we had his wake, and that was wonderful. My parents got to come down for it, and his family come up, and it was nice. It was nice. But finally come back on board after all of that, and things are kind of starting to slow down a little bit here with the cattle. But which is to be expected. Get closer to spring, it starts to slow down a little bit, and you have fat cattle that'll pick up, and he'll run odd and end feeder calves out of sale barns and background calves and stuff like that. Last week I took a couple loads of background calves around. We took weaning babies to the backgrounders. We hauled some fat cattle. Ran a couple of loads of yearling calves up to a sale barn. Plenty enough to pay bills and make decent money, but on the other end, it's not gangster money time of the year. So we'll see how that goes. Right now, we're sitting and waiting to see if we go to Erickson tonight for the sale. I don't know how many head they got consigned or if they did weigh-ups today, but we will kind of play that by ear and see. I'm not sure really what the plan is. We'll just have to kind of wait and see if our buyers get anything out of there, and if they do, which buyers got them, which yards they're going to, and we'll go from there. And as far as tomorrow goes, typically Sundays we got fat cows out of South Dakota, and we got fat cattle coming out of here in Burwell. It's hard telling. I don't know if they got either of those things set up. They could not. Who knows? But we'll kind of play it by ear and see where we go from there. But I think I'll come at you all in a bit here when I figure something out. First load out of Erickson. 60 head of 675 pound average steers. Normally we'd load them 30 and 30. And since they were pretty bad temperament, we loaded 25, 25, 10. And normally if I load 25, 25, 10. I would end up gating 12 and 13 in the top and the belly. The reason for that is to kind of keep them where they need to be. So it looks like that's where they're going to go. There's 120 head total, and they ran 60 head already. So I think what we're doing here is we're going to open this gate up. We're going to run them out here with the other ones. And everything is going to be just peachy. I hope. Figure out how the hell we're doing this here. Well, there's two. Alright, let's see here. This is the joy of this. We gotta walk down here and we gotta figure out exactly where everything's supposed to go. So I think everything's going out in this holding pen over here. I want to make sure nothing gets screwed up. Oh, joy. Alrighty, it's starting to rain good here again. It's been raining all freaking day. But that is right. I walked down there and found the cows. So now we're golden. Go back up the chute here. We'll let them out the back. Let them out the belly, let them out the top, and then go back and get my second round. Thankfully that one's going back towards home. Alright kids, come on. Up. Up. Come on kiddos, there you go buddy. Good job. Good job boys. Come on, kids. Hey! Come on, buddy. Hey! You too, big guy. Good job. Come on, buddy. I don't want to chase you, man. Give me one of them nights. Come on, buddy. Let's go, asshole. Hey! Hey! Come on, big guy. Come on, dummy. You got food out there, big guy. Let's go. Come on, bud. Oh, I really don't want to chase you out of there. God damn it. Hey, bud. Hey, bud. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Buddy. Come on. There we go. Skittish little bugger. Come on, fellas. Good boys. Come on. finger hit the button and it stopped recording, so that's great. Little paddle. Now for these ones, to make it a little bit easier, I pull out my crowd gate. I don't really know why, but it does seem to make it a little bit easier getting these little ones down. And they're not overly little, 675 pounds, but also helps some when I do come running out of here to not get pushed off the side and break legs. Hey buddy, can you look at me? Can you look at me, bud? Buddy! Hey! Turn your head. Come here, look at me, man. Good job. Hopefully. Doesn't look like it's gonna cooperate. Hey boys! Hey boys! There they go. Nice and easy. Check, make sure you ain't got no straggler. We'll run back down here and lock them in the alleyway, and they'll find their way back to the holding pen with the brothers. They'll get some food, water. They'll process them tomorrow. So they'll run them through the vet shed and everything else. Then they'll spend their time here and get fat and happy. Everybody loves getting fat and happy. Day after. Went back to Erickson. Got my load for home. It was 81 heifers, not too bad. Rained like a son of a bitch the whole time. Just miserable, but heifers were, I think, 740. And loaded up nice and easy, walked right on, walked right off. So went to the place we're going, and mud hole there, we didn't get stuck, so everything kind of worked out good. Got home, I think, around 2 o'clock in the morning. I guess 3 with daylight savings, but worked out good. Everything kind of fell through for today because of the storm going through up north, so we'll kind of leave it at that. Anyway, guys, hope you guys are being safe. As always, I thank you guys for watching.